Hey there, Kenna. My name's Brandon, and I'm with Sublime SEO Pro. Appreciate your conversation earlier, and here is your free video like I mentioned I would send over. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how to outrank your top competition online in the Salt Lake area. So when we type in duct cleaning in Salt Lake City, here's what pops up in Google. You've got your Google Map Pack and your organic searches right here. So I'm going to show you what duct cleaning services in Salt Lake City, same day Utah, is doing that's allowing them to get this #1 organic spot. We're not going to count Yelp. We're not going to count Angie's List because those are directories. And we're going to try to get you more business from getting you on this front page of Google right here. Okay. So you're probably wondering why I'm even sending you guys this in the first place. And I've owned small businesses in the past, and it was always so difficult for me to understand this stuff and to get business from online. I just always focused on word of mouth, which worked great, but I'm trying to scale myself at that time and really learn how to get more business, or how to make the internet give me more business, basically. And I'm going to show you guys 3 tips on how to do this. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is content. So here's your homepage. It looks great. It's a good looking homepage. Whoever made this for you did a nice job. But my question is it actually generating business for you, or is it just serving as a online business card? Okay. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that you have at least 1,500 words on your front page. So I copied and pasted your content. You've got 552 words on the front page. You need to get that up to at least 1,500, if not 2,000. But what's in the content is even more important than the number of words. So we need as many buyer intent keywords as possible to be within your entire website. So a buyer intent keyword is something that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for your service. Okay. So I'm going to show you this tool. This is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, and you can find free ones out there. But it shows that you guys have 86 keywords, and it's helping generate this much traffic to your site per month. Now, this value right here is generally underreported. It can be anywhere from 5 to 10 times this amount. But we're going to look at your top competitor here in a second. So you guys have 86, and Same Day has 2,400 keywords. And as you can see, it's generating a lot more traffic per month. 3,400 versus your 114. Okay. So what I would do is click on these keywords and figure out which ones are buyer intent keywords, because some of these aren't going to do much. And use all the same ones that have good search volume, that have buyer intent, and put them into your website. And you can just go through these and make sure they fit grammatically. Okay. What you can also do is save your photos as keywords. So instead of germs, save it as air duct cleaning Salt Lake City, and then save the next one, Salt Lake City air duct cleaning, for example. Okay. So that's the first thing we want to do. The second thing that I want to go over are backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere that a website links back to your website, driving traffic to you. So these could be blogs, shout outs, etc. And you have 186 coming from 38 different websites. If we look at your top competitor, Same Day, they have 3,700 coming from 563 websites. So between the content, keywords, and backlinks, they are generating a lot more traffic per month. And that is a lot of business that they're closing that other companies are not. So you're probably wondering, well, how the heck do I get more backlinks? It's easy. They've already done the hard work for you. So figure out which backlinks they have. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Just because they have 3,600 backlinks does not mean that they are all quality backlinks. So you want to make sure that you're linking yourself to relevant and trustworthy websites. Okay. So you don't want to link yourself to a Pizza Hut, because Pizza Hut, they're in the food industry. Google's crawlers know that you are not in the food industry, so it's not relevant. So what you can do is click on these one by one, list yourself in these sites, and link yourself back to your website. Okay, so that is what That's what a backlink is. And the next thing we want to do is get you guys into this Google Map pack right here. And the way to do that is with what we call citations. So a citation is anywhere that your business is listed in a directory. So you want to find out how many directories these guys are listed in, and then add yourself to all the same ones and more. So if they're in 150 directories, put yourself in 200. And with that, you will be well on your way to being on this front page of Google. Okay, so quick recap: add more content to your front page, hit 2,000 words if you can, and then put buyer intent keywords all throughout your website and beat out your top competition, which is same day. The next thing is to get more backlinks and beat out the number that they have by adding yourself to all the same ones and more, and then list yourself in more directories than sanitary air duct cleaning is in. And if you can do that, you will be well on your way, my friend. Okay, so if you guys have questions on how to do this, if you want to take this information and get it done on your own, whatever you decide to do is okay with me. I just was hoping to add some value to you guys, and if you have any questions, concerns, comments, or feedback, I would love to hear it. And if you would like to work together on this, I'm happy to go over your goals and figure out how you guys are trying to build and grow and scale, and we can help you get there through some digital marketing. Okay, hope you have a great day, and I appreciate your time.